Okay, last one. An algebraic expression is described below. 6 more than the product of 4 times the difference between x and 3. What is the value of the expression when x is equal to 8? Okay, well, let's check out that expression one more time. 6 more than the product of 4 times the difference between x and 3. All right, so here's what we have to figure out. How are we going to write this expression? 6 more than the product of 4 times the difference between x and 3. So we're going to start with this, the difference between x and 3. So it's going to be x minus 3, and that's going to be inside parentheses. Then we have 4 times the difference. So I'm going to have a 4 on the outside of that. And then we have 6 more than the product of 4 times the difference. Okay, so I need some brackets here. And then a 6 plus. So let's see if my expression I wrote matches these words. So the words are 6 more than the product of 4 times the difference between x and 3. 6 more than the product of 4 times the difference of x and 3. Yep, I'm pretty sure I got it. Now, they want us to evaluate this by substituting in an 8 for the x. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take 8 minus 3, and I'm going to bring everything else down exactly as it appears. 8 minus 3 is 5. Keep my parentheses. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. They can disappear now. Bring down my 6 plus. 6 plus 20 is 26. Come over here. There we go. B. Done. Okay, what you have to do when you get a problem like that is really pay attention to the wording. What is it saying has to be done first? Are parentheses necessary? Yes, in this case, the difference had to come first, therefore parentheses were necessary because order of operations doesn't have you subtract unless you have parentheses first because we had multiplication. That would usually outrank it, but because of the parentheses, we would subtract first, then multiply, then add. Okay? So you really have to pay attention to those words. Okay? All right. That's it. That's your study packet. I hope you reviewed. I hope you're ready for the anchor. I hope you feel confident. If you need any help, have any questions at all, you should ask Mrs. Eccles or Mr. Slogenhop for help, and we can get you in 8th period to work with you. Okay? Don't forget there are all kinds of videos and resources posted in Google Classroom, and you have a notebook for your review also. Okay? Thanks, guys.